Five Las Cruces police officers dumped over 100 bullets into his car. How many times did it hit you?
Dude, I got hit at least 7 times. I have too many grazes to count. I don't even know. I had to have surgery yesterday.
Surgery yesterday?
To get a bullet fragment out of my neck.
Let me tell you about Mr. Strickland here. He is a wildlife conservationist. And let me explain. He goes in, people call him when they have the most dangerous animals.
Rattlesnakes, tarantulas.
He goes in, you call him. He gets them and then he releases them. Why does he have more compassion to animals than the police have for human fucking life?
I just want the whole world to know. So a big reason why I got into wildlife conservation, the crocodile hunter Steve Irwin was my motivation. And I always wanted to be the black crocodile hunter. Instead of crocodiles, I like snakes and I like rhinos, but literally I just want people to know that there are black people out there that love protecting animals, and I wanted to be a pioneer in wildlife conservation, but this happened to me. But I moved to New Mexico to save rattlesnakes and venomous animals, and that's why I'm out here.
And this is what the cops did. Again, more compassion to animals than the people we pay to protect and serve us. This is what they do.